So we've got another Renault Master here. We've met up with the owner, George.
Hey.
And your channel is?
Too Born to Travel.
Too Born to Travel. And this is George's van. So we just originally
Horse box.
a horse box, we think.
Yeah.
So can we have a look inside?
Yeah, go for it.
Wow. So
It's a bit of a mess.
that's what everybody says. But again, everybody starts with the same sort of box shape, and it's what people do with it that's the interesting bit. And we've got travelling companion.
Yeah, little Mexi boy.
And so, can you just take us through your van? What
This
have you got?
is the bed. It just comes down off the wall.
Right. Yeah.
And then I wanted the sofas there, like so you can look at the view.
Yes. Yeah. And what a view today.
Yep, pretty nice.
It is. Not as misty as it was last night.
No.
And the storage space, what?
So underneath there, there's a load of crap. I store all the wood for the wood burner in there. So then the wood burner is in there.
Right.
And then I just set it up in the winter.
Right. Yeah. So where do you set that up?
It normally goes here, and then the flue's here,
Ah, right. Yes. Yeah.
and then
And you've got tin lined or metal linings.
yeah.
Protection. Yeah.
And then that's just to stop the rainwater coming in when it rains.
Yeah. And you got shelves around the back.
Yeah.
Your back door's open, don't they? So
Yeah.
so
Do yours not?
they do, but we can't
Oh,
get that because of the bed.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
it's just really access from the outside.
And then this is just a stove, so this all comes off. Right over there. Right space, and then
Yeah.
and the gas is like underneath all this, so this is like a raised.
And
raised
what
floor.
gas is it? Just colour gas? Or is it or
The blue tin, whatever
gas?
that is.
Yeah. Or camping gas. Yeah.
Camping gas. Yeah. And then I can show you the bath, but it's
You have a bath.
Yeah. It's a bit of a pain to get to.
Oh,
but
well.
I'll show it you. It's probably a mess as well. Hasn't been used all summer. You gonna come down? Come on.
Oh wow!
Jealous.
And it's plumbed in because the drain's at the bottom.
Yeah.
Straight out.
Straight out.
That's amazing.
Oh yeah, jealous.
But yeah, in the winter it comes in handy.
I bet. Yeah.
In the summer, I just
Oops.
don't use it. You alright, Max? Where are you going? Come on then. You stuck.
So when your bed drops down, you've got a full double bed as well, haven't you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's full double bed. I mean, I can get it down for you if you want.
Is it a hassle?
It takes. I just need to move the cushions and then bring it down.
If you don't mind,
Yeah, that's cool.
just wreck your van, won't we?
Yeah. So you got a load of storage in there as well, under the cooker
And then
and drawer. Yeah.
really messy. I wasn't planning on it.
And a sink as well. You got a little sink
Yeah,
at the
sink,
top
and
there.
then the waste just goes into there.
Yeah. And you were telling us earlier that your water pump is foot operated. I take it
Yeah.
that's there. Yeah. So.
And then underneath there's the water tank.
Yeah.
And I really badly designed it because right next to it is the electric.
So that's your leisure battery, is it?
Yeah.
And you've got a solar panel.
So that's the water tank.
Oh yeah.
And then, but when I bought the van, it already had electric in it.
Right.
So underneath that box is another leisure battery.
Oh right, so you got two.
Yeah.
Right.
I don't really know any of it because the electrician sorted it all.
I haven't got my glasses. That's a big battery, isn't it?
Is it?
Yeah.
It lasts, like in the winter, it probably lasts 5 or 6 days maybe without like driving the van. Because nothing comes, like hardly anything comes from the solar.
No. And then you've got an inverter, have you, or is that just for electric hookup for when you're?
That's yeah. So the inverter's under here.
Yeah.
And then the switch is there, like just to turn the electric on and off.
Yeah.
There is an electric. There is one of the hookups that you put in at the campsite.
Yeah.
I've never used it though.
Right.
I don't actually know if it works. he's the guy that I bought it off said it did, but I've never needed to use it. Right, should I take the bed down for you?
If you don't mind.
That's fine.
It's not too much of a hassle.
Because normally in the night I kind of use these as, because this bit here isn't insulated.
Right.
So this is like in the winter it does get cold. So I just use these cushions as extra, like
Yeah.
So just unclips from the top.
There's you.
The bed.
Double bed.
It's amazing. It's great.
Simple.
It is. And it gives you all that room in the day as well, doesn't it?
Yeah, that's that's the reason I didn't want it fixed, because I wanted to just be able to walk in.
Yeah.
And
But you've not got that hassle of having to rank it up either every
No.
day. It's just fold out and that's it.
fold
It's,
it.
Yeah,
It's
I
a
mean-
bit of a mission to fold it back in by yourself. Quite heavy, but
Because when you're using the cushions that you use for your settee during the day,
yeah.
you've got to move those to make your bed frame, and then put
Yeah,
those.
and
You know,
then put it on,
it is a much
yeah.
more of a
No,
hassle.
when I had the caddy, like I had the rock and roll bed, and then I got in the habit of just never putting it back up the seats because it's just hassle, like putting it down, putting the sheet on.
Yeah.
But I mean, with this, if you did want to pull up at night and pull the bed out, you've still got a bit of seating as well, haven't you?
Yeah.
Here and over there.
I mean, normally in the night we have the door up and then just lay in bed with this one open, and then it's just...
It's gorgeous.
It is. And the important thing,
Yeah. Storage for surfboards. Brilliant.
And then that's just all my clothes up there in that little...
Over the driver's cab.
Yeah.
Yeah. Your wardrobe.
It's actually quite surprising how much you can fit in there.
Yeah. I mean, that's, I was saying last night, that's a lot of space that we've not used and we've not got.
Yeah, because yours looks quite high up as well,
Yeah.
actually, doesn't it?
Yeah. Very nice.
Right.
and you've got the copper like we've got for the curtain.
Yeah, I like this.
Yeah.
But if I thought about it more, I would have done something with the lights of it. But, yeah. Right, watch me try and do this now. Normally it's harder than that.
I was going to say, you've got it down to a T.
Originally, when I designed it, it come down because I put these in last, didn't think about these. So before it would just come down, but then the height of these, I have to take them off.
Right. So you've done the work on it?
With the help of my brother.
Your brother, yeah.
I was like, can I have this, this and this?
Yeah.
And kind of made it happen. I did learn quite a lot from him though. It was fun.
And is there anything you'd change?
Just like maybe the access to things a little bit easier. Like if he had measured it out properly, like not in like, I don't know. Just like little things like this is like annoying to get out because we put the door in afterwards.
Yeah, yeah.
But not, I like the design and the flow.
Yeah.
Just.
Well, I mean, I was sat in having a cup of coffee with you before, and it's a cosy van, and it feels welcoming. It doesn't feel, you know, you go in some vans, it's just like claustrophobic or
Yeah.
whatever. It feels really airy.
Yeah.
Mm.
I
Nice.
just want, that's what I wanted. I wanted
Yeah.
all the space, so like, I don't know, you could come in and out,
Yeah.
hang out.
And it just flows.
Yeah. Yeah.
So your channel again is
Too born to travel.
Too Born to Travel,
Yeah.
and what do you do on there? It's
It's kind of just random adventures
adventures.
in the van,
Yeah,
bit of travel, and yeah, we just started a new series called Be More Random, and it's just our little random adventures that we go on.
brilliant.
Yeah.
So,
This way.
Yeah.
Don't
So-
plan, just do.
Just exactly.
Yeah.
And don't overthink, just do.
Mm.
Yeah.
Mm.
Yeah.
And you've lived in this van full time virtually, haven't you now? For
Yeah, pretty much for
18 months, 2
2
years?
years
Yeah.
nearly. Yeah, and then before that I did live in the caddy for nearly a year,
Mm.
and then it got to winter and I was like, I need a bigger van with something to like heat it.
Mm.
But yeah.
It's
Right.
lovely.
so van life.
Yeah.
And it's a nice van to live it.
It is.
Well,
More
thank
of
you.
a summer, sorry.
Yeah.
It's more of a summer.
Well, you've got the wood burner as well,
Yeah,
so you
yeah.
you can be warm. But you were saying last night, weren't you, about the wood burner, that you have to open the doors when you've got it
Yeah.
lit because
Oh
it's
yeah.
too hot
It gets
sometimes.
really, really hot.
Yeah.
And then like, if you let the fire die down, it just keeps the heat in that little bit longer.
Know you've been a good friend, and that's in the thick and thin. And I know it's never gonna